I'm Briony Williams and I'm down at the farm at Yeo Valley to make some delicious recipes using their organic dairy products. And I'm also using this lovely KitchenAid to help me out whip up some deliciousness. And you could be in with a chance of winning one of these in their competition. This recipe is a really simple yogurt cake. It's blueberry and lemon using Yeo Valley organic blueberry with a hint of lime yogurt. Very, very tasty. First thing we're going to do, we're going to beat the sugar and the butter together to make sure it's nice and fluffy. So I'm going to pop my butter into the bowl and add the sugar. Beat that for a few minutes until it's pale and fluffy. Now that my butter and sugar is nice and creamy and pale, I'm going to add the eggs one by one. I'm going to leave the mixer on and just add them one at a time. With the eggs in, the mixture will probably look a little bit curdled. That's absolutely fine. The best thing to do is just add a tablespoon of flour and give it a really good mix up, and that should knock the curdling out. Now we're going to add our flour, a little bit of baking powder, and then we're going to mix again. As you can see, the mixture is quite stiff at the minute. Time to add our blueberry with a hint of lime yogurt and the lemon zest. And to add a bit of extra blueberry flavour, we're going to add in some fresh blueberries as well. I've got a Briony tin here. It's about 8 by 12 inches, and I've greased it with butter and lined it with parchment so our cake doesn't stick. Then I'm going to pour in the batter, smooth it down. Make sure you push it into the corners. That's going to go in the oven for about 40 minutes until a skewer comes out clean on 180 degrees C fan. To decorate the yoghurt cake, all we're going to do is mix some icing sugar together with some lemon juice. Really nice and simple. So I've got my icing sugar in here. I'm going to add the lemon juice a bit at a time until we get the consistency that we want. I'm using golden icing sugar, so it comes out this lovely golden caramelly colour, but regular icing sugar is absolutely fine. So you want it the consistency where it pours off the spoon nicely. Then I'm just going to spread it over the top of the cake. Once you've got your icing on, just going to take the zest of one lemon and sprinkle it over the top. And that's it for the decoration. All that's left is to slice it up and serve. And there we have it, absolutely delicious and pretty easy to make blueberry and lemon yogurt cake.